A good low-carb breakfast can set the tone for the rest of the day, so we make sure it's delicious and satisfying. Our keto breakfast recipe should inspire you to mix breakfast up a bit and try to include new things in your morning routine. Go for eggs. With one large egg containing less than 1 gram of carbs and 7 grams of protein, it's not surprising that egg breakfasts are super popular for those on a ketogenic diet. Here are some ideas you'll want to try for a delicious and convenient keto breakfast on the go. 1. Breakfast egg muffins. Imagine an omelette that not only fits snugly into one hand, but it also doesn't leave a mess. Try the breakfast egg muffin, the protein-packed breakfast option that leaves one hand free to lock the door behind you. With just 5 minutes of prep time and 15 minutes in the oven, these muffins are super easy to make. 2. Cream cheese eggs. The cream cheese is a tasty twist on a traditional recipe, and the whole thing takes just 8 minutes of cook time. The cream cheese gives this dish an extra savory flavor and a creamy texture, and is a perfectly filling breakfast idea on a busy morning. Wrap it in a low-carb tortilla to make a burrito that's portable for a fast and nutritious keto breakfast on the go. Choose healthy fats. Eating fats when you're aiming for weight loss sounds counterintuitive, but it really isn't, especially if you're on a keto diet. When you've gone low-carb diet, fats become your primary energy source. Not only that, fats help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, regulate inflammation and immunity, and maintain the health of your cells, including skin and hair cells. The trick to eating fats is to choose the good ones. These include avocado, chia seeds, coconut oil, and cheese. Here are some low-carb recipes that incorporates healthy fats for a yummy breakfast in no time. 3. Keto blueberry smoothie. It's breakfast in a cup that you can slurp on while driving, on a train, or running to catch your bus. The blueberries in this smoothie are an excellent source of antioxidants, while the MCT oil gives it a healthy fat boost. By adding protein powder or raw egg for an extra protein boost, it will help you feel full for longer. 4. Keto chocolate cake donuts. While tender, chocolatey donuts are perfect on their own, this keto breakfast recipe amps them up with a rich and sweet glaze. Pair with coffee and tea, or enjoy as dessert. At just over 2 net carbs per donut, they are basically guilt-free. We hope you enjoyed this video. Comment your thoughts. Like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for a great dieting lifestyle. Thanks for watching.